Well, good afternoon. It's the 18th of April. Wednesday markets just closed. Cotton market was down today. Grain markets were somewhat mixed. Let's just go straight to that right now. We are looking at cotton settled in July down 34 at 82.61, a high of 83.17, a low of 82.30. December cotton closed down 8 at 78.32, a low of 78.14, a high of 78.17. This is about going into exports tomorrow. There's a feeling that there could be some more cancellations, and for that reason, we're just seeing some profit taking going into that. If we go through it, we don't see cancellations. Market definitely should gain all that back, and some weather concerns we've talked about recently. Although December being down 8 doesn't seem to be a lot of weather concerns showing up in December, which is where it should really show up. Okay, let's look at soybeans. We've got beans down about 5 at 10.52 and a quarter in July, a high of 10.63 and 3/4, low of 10.50 and a half. July corn up 2.5 at 3.91 and 3/4, a high of 3.92 and a quarter, a low of 3.88 and 3/4. July wheat up on the day 7 1/4 at 4.88 and 3/4, a high of 4.90 and a half, a low of 4.80 and a half. Looking around the board, crude oil had a big day, still trading up $1.90. We talked about a shortage, or at least some of the stocks are lower than had been anticipated in the U.S., and that's been supportive to price. The dollar up 7, gold up 5, silver up about 5. And then we've got the Dow Jones right now up 5. Don't see that very often. The stock market only moving 5 up or down on the day. So that's where that is right now. That is it. Make sure you join us tomorrow morning, because we're going to be looking at possible fireworks tomorrow morning with the exports. See you then.